Good morning, my name is Fonan Kenya Alice. I am a student for Center for Cyber Security, Mathematics and Cryptography. Welcome to this video. I wanted to share you my own project based in Agrotech and training project securing Africa digital agriculture. The vision is that to accelerate external agriculture and digital security in Cameroon and Central Africa. The dual solution, a 3-in-1 digital platform plus specialized technology training center. Core in impact, reduce the post-harvest loss, build local tech capacity, and ensure the digital security. They ask seeking safe funding and strategy. Now I have the dual challenge, fermentation and critical skill. I have agriculture inefficiency, the free market unreliable equipment rental and high post-harvest loss due to lack of timely mechanization and poor logic. I have the lack of integrated solution, no single reliability platform, connect equipment, market access and specialized training, forcing farmers to rely on fermenting and efficiency service. I have the digital skill, critical shortage and local expertise in IoT, embedded system and cybersecurity, which are essentially for modernizing agrotech practice in the region. The consequence is that show adoption for modern security framing practice, hindering economic growth and preventing the smaller order framework for having their full potential. Now our integrate 3-in-1 solution, technology in talent, the digital platform, a unified web and mobile application for equipment marketplace, rental management and IoT tracking. We have availability strategy and geolocalization, technical training center, hands-on certification in IoT, embedded system, and cybersecurity for agrotech building critical local expertise. Key differentiator, scalability, integrate model creation itself, source training, ecosystem, mobile first approach, and deployable IoT key ensure rapid field adoption and growth. I have tractor and machinery, the core access for efficiency. The need for mechanization, African agriculture suffer from low mechanization rate leading to high labor cost and efficiency, access to reliable equipment and a major bottleneck. Targeted mechanizing. Our platform connects a farmer with key equipment, Mrs. Ferguson and John Deere tractor from plowing, harrowing and planting, implement like plow, harrow and harvester and offer share of renting. The platform role will provide a trusted, transparent marketplace for equipment and ensure the maximal utilization and reduce the financial burden on small farmers. Impact: increase access to mechanization directly correct with reduce the post-harvest loss and high. Now you have embedded system security and optimizing equipment. High-value agricultural mechanism is prone to toil, measure, and inefficient operation, especially in remote areas where monitor and security are limited. Our embedded solution, we deploy customer design IoT embedded system kit for real-time machine monitoring. We have a GPS tracking, we have use monitoring, we have predict maintenance, we have technology scale, low microcontroller, we have training integrator. Our tech training center specialized in the installation, maintenance, and cyber security for this specific embedded system. Now we have market opportunity size. You have times. So you have TAM, this means total addressable market. You have SAM, means you have SAM, serviceable available market. You have SOM, means that serviceable obtainable market. Now you have target segment, a small and medium sized farmer, scaling reliable equipment as equipment owner, looking for better utilization and revenue. You have initial focus, pilot launch and west region in littoral region area, target pilot cooperative and training center, Elizabeth partner with local multiple and go for repeat market penetration. Now you have the revenue stream, financial viability. You have now the platform revenue, 5% commission on marketplace sale and subscribing fee for equipment rented and IoT tracking service. We have training model, few from certification course, cybersecurity, embedded system, and corporate the training contact with partner. Now you have in this level, unity economic viability, unit economics validation. Now you have 5,000 and 10,000 francs per month. In this year, you have in 3 year financial projection. This is my net cash flow. That is the increase. Our mode integrate model security focus. Direct competition, informal rented group on agrotech hub and general marketplace lack integration and specialized expertise. They operate in silos. You have defensive innovation, predict AI for machine maintenance, reduce downtime. You have core mode. Our integrate 3-in-1 model marketplace rented training is unique in the region, creating network effect and operational synergy. Security focus. Our training center product the talent specialized in securing agrotech system, a critical advantage and digital trade increase. Now I have a strong market validation and payload strategy. The validation is that clear pen point confirmed through formal interview and training director consultation, strong willingness to pay for reliability and practical skill demonstrate. Now I have the channel, app and web platform for direct user, as local cooperative as trusted relay point, 5 demonstration for hand-on engagement, payload strategy, 3 cooperation as anchor partner, 50 affiliated machine tracked and managed, 2 partner training center for certification program, key partnership security agreement with municipality, go and local IoT equipment supply to accelerate deployment and ensure community built-in. Now the team expective in tech and local context. Core expective team specialized in IoT, embedded system, security, and Africa finance. Deep understanding for regional challenge and opportunity. Founder profile, strong background in embedded system security and cryptology, proven track record and building secure, scalable technology solution for emerging market. Advisor and partner. Leverage partner operation and certified trainer for rapid deployment, strategic partnership with local tech hub, go and government agency. Commitment dedicated to transforming local challenge in secure, scalable technological solution, passionate about building suite-able technology capacity in Central Africa. Now the funding allocation and key milestone. The funding request seeking seed funding to core MVP development and initial operation. MVP is minimal viable products development and initial operation. Use of funds MVP, platform development, IoT skill and sensor, cloud infrastructure, personal marketing activation. This is the total 12-month goal. I have active user platform, machine and target and management, training center operational, cooperative about the. Now I have month roadmap to scale. I have MVP launch pilot activity, launch minimal viability product science, cooperative and pilot the first training go with early adopter. I have 12-month goal, scale to 1,000 users. 24-month goal, regional expansive profitability. Long-term vision, secure digital backbone for Africa. Become to the trust security digital backbone for agrotech across Central Africa, transforming how farmer access technology and effective. Now I wanted to end my presentation. Join us in Security Africa Digital Future. The problem is that digital transformation requires secure local perspective. With to it, African agriculture remains fragmented, inefficiency and vulnerability to digital threat. The solution is that of my project is that our integrated platform and training center provide both technology and talent, a self-sustaining ecosystem that connects framework, equipment and perspective. The opportunity is that invest in model with massive times, proven local traction, and a clear path to profitability become part of Africa agriculture revolution. Now I have the partner with us. Together, we will build a secure, suitable, and technologically advanced future for African agriculture. Our investment today shape tomorrow food security and economic growth across Africa, Central Africa. I am at the end of my presentation. I need $35 to begin my project. I told you that my name is Fana Kenyan Alex. I am the founder of this project. I am a founder of this project. I am an expert in embedded system security. Thank you. Thank you for your keen attention.